Midjourney is an AI image tool that lets you create images by describing what you want in simple words, all inside a website. Before we start using it, let me quickly explain the plans so you know what you are working with. Midjourney works with GPU time. You can think of it like credits that control how fast things are generated. Fast mode means your images or videos are created quickly. When you use fast mode, Midjourney uses your monthly GPU time. Every image or video you generate takes some of that time. When people say they ran out of time, this is the time they mean. Relax mode means your generation is slower. Your job goes into a shared queue and waits for its turn. The important part is that relax mode does not use your fast GPU time. You can keep generating without watching a timer, but you need patience. Relax mode is not available on every plan, and for video, it is even more limited. I will explain exactly where you get it in a moment. Midjourney has 4 plans: Basic, Standard, Pro, and Mega. You can pay monthly or yearly. When you pay yearly, you get a discount compared to paying every month. The basic plan costs $10 per month or $96 per year. This plan gives you fast mode only. You do not get relax mode at all, not for images and not for video. Once your fast GPU time runs out, you must wait until the next month or buy more time. This plan is very limited. The standard plan costs $30 per month or $288 per year. This is the first plan where you get relax mode for images. That means when your fast time is finished, you can keep generating images in relax mode. But this is important. Video generation on the standard plan works only in fast mode. You cannot use relax mode for video on this plan. The Pro plan costs $60 per month or $576 per year. Here you get more fast GPU time and relax mode for both images and video. This is the first plan where video creation becomes much more flexible. You also get stealth mode, which keeps your work private. The Mega plan costs $120 per month or $1,152 per year. This plan gives you the fastest GPU time, unlimited relax mode for images and video, and the highest limits overall. It is made for heavy users. Video generation uses much more GPU time than images. Even a short video can use a lot of fast time. That is why relax mode for video is only available starting from the Pro plan. On basic and standard plans, video will eat your fast time very quickly. If you run out of fast GPU time, you can buy extra fast hours directly from your Midjourney account. This works on all plans. The extra time is added on top of your current plan and is used only in fast mode. It does not change your plan features. It only gives you more speed. Now let's talk about commercial use, because many people ask about this. All paid Midjourney plans include commercial usage rights. This means you are allowed to use the images and videos you create for business, client work, content, and monetized platforms. The only difference is visibility. On Pro and Mega plans, you can use stealth mode, which means your work is private. On basic and standard plans, your generations can appear publicly in the community gallery. Midjourney lets you generate images in different quality levels. Lower quality, or SD style generation, uses less GPU time and is faster. Higher quality, or HD style generation, takes more GPU time, but gives you sharper details and better results. This matters because higher quality settings will use your fast time faster, especially for video. You can cancel your Midjourney subscription at any time from your account settings. To cancel, first log into your Midjourney account on the website. On the left menu, at the very bottom, you can find your profile image. Click the 3 dots next to it, and from the drop-down select Manage Subscription. There you will see a button to cancel your subscription. Click it and confirm the cancellation. When you cancel, you do not lose your access immediately. You keep your plan, features, and remaining fast time until the end of your current billing period. If you have unused fast GPU time when your billing cycle ends, that time does not roll over to the next month. It resets when the new billing period would normally start. So if you plan to cancel, it's a good idea to use the time you already paid for. If you cancel a yearly plan, the cancellation stops the next renewal, but you still keep access until the end of the paid year. To see how much fast GPU time you have left, go to your profile, then Manage Subscription. Under your plan, you can see the exact remaining fast hours. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.